One of the huge advantages of selecting Chespack and getting that process right was to see how professional and dedicated Chespack were. The fact that the mobilisation was everything that we expected it to be, and that combined with the support and our partnership in terms of driving innovation forward and how we go about our business has only been a benefit to both sides, which again is the idea of a partnership, is working together with common goals, achieving them common goals and constantly reviewing where we are and where we want to be.